Well, good morning. This is Crazy Cheap Chick, and this week I really am a little crazy because I have 5 out of my 7 grandkids with me this week. So I got up this morning and made waffles, but these weren't regular waffles. These waffles were made out of cake batter. So you just buy a cake mix and you make it as directed. Now, I've seen other people on the internet do this, and even Betty Crocker online says just make the cake batter as directed on the box. But really, I think you need to thin it out just a little bit more. It's too thick if you don't. And we burnt one, but the rest of them after that, after we thinned it out a little bit, were fabulous. And if you don't mind feeding your grandkids cake for breakfast, it's wonderful. So you just make the waffles out of the cake mix. I put a little bit of whipped cream on mine. And then I threw on some raspberries just, to make it healthy. But the way I look at it, it is my children's responsibility to make sure that my grandkids eat healthy most of the time. And when they're at Nana's house, they're gonna eat sugar. That's just how grandmas roll. That's how we are. So hold on to your hat. We're getting ready to make some waffles out of cake mix, and they're fabulous, easy, delicious, and they were a big hit with all 5 grandkids. So hold on just a second. Today we're going to make waffles out of cake mix. And so I've got everything you need for the cake mix, which is just a 1/4 cup of oil, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of water. And we're going to mix that up, and I've got my waffle maker warming up and some butter spray. So let's mix up this cake mix. So now I'm going to spray the waffle maker with the butter spray. And we've got our batter mix made. I did add just a little bit more water to thin it down just a little bit. It seems so thick to me, but we'll see how this turns out. Spread it on there, and now we're going to close it. I'm going to turn it from max down a little bit. I've never made these before, but cooking something on high heat never seems to work well for me. Oh no, it's squeezing out the side. I obviously put too much in. Go ahead. Finished product. A little tricky getting them out. Not done. All right, success. So if you don't mind feeding your grandkids cake for breakfast, this has turned out pretty good. So it's a chocolate waffle, and I'm adding some raspberries just to say it's healthy.
I think I might be able to there, see?
Make sure you eat the raspberries, okay?
Okay.
Have a bite and tell me how it is. How is it?
Ooh, that's good.
It's yummy? You would eat them again? You all had seconds.
So, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I'm assuming they're a hit if you want seconds. Well, thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. That was super kind and nice of you. And if you got anything at all out of the video, please hit the like button. And it would also be nice if you would subscribe. I would enjoy that so much. This is Crazy Cheap Chick. I hope you get to make some cake batter waffles soon with your children or grandchildren. It was really easy and fun and a hit with everyone. Have a great day.